Welcome back to the brand new movie and I wanna call My Evil Mother. People want to know watch the movie at the end. Tell a friend for tell a friend about this bad movie cause when you see it, when you see one brand new movie. And people, when you just go and stay tuned, you understand, cause we have part 2 for the movie called You're Not My Dad. You understand, and we're gonna release that most likely Tuesday on Wrld TV, so you just stay tuned for it. So nobody want to feel like say we not release, we are play around, we have it, you understand, edit up and ready for you see me, but we are drop the one first. So people, as me said, please do remember the Panama trip, you understand, the number is always on the screen. Feel free to donate something if you want to book one of the actor or actress flight, feel free to give the number a call, you understand, and if you want to put a small donation towards the trip or anything, you understand, the number on the screen 7992758. You understand, that's my number, and then my father number, you know, say 9995290, that's current book number. But before we go into the movie, I just want to big up a few people. Wandan and Cliff, big up yourself. I don't know, say straight from Hyannis, Cape Cod, Mass, America. You understand, I want to big up Justice King from Florida. You understand, I want to big up Paulette and Charles from Blue Hole, Brighton. You understand, I want to big up Dylan from Whitehall, Natalie and Philip from Germany. You understand, and Andre from Greater Portmore, AJ from Florida, big up yourself. You understand, and big up DJ Aran from Mobile South Spring. You understand, and big up Brother. You understand, over River Mobile. And big up Bone Sedway. And big up Andre. Call it already? Oh, sorry about that. And the whole crew. Big up Andre from Greater Portmore and the whole crew. And Daniel Rowe from Black River. So people that them there are some fans, you understand, and being a support we and still a support we. So big up on yourself and just continue support Wrld TV. So watch the movie at the end. My Evil Mother, that one epic. Tell me for no one part 2.
My evil mother, people nowadays is so evil. Family and friend you can't trust nowadays. This world is so cold. A lot of cold-hearted people. But I have a evil mother, the same woman will carry me for 9 months I try. Betrayed me mankind, it's so wicked, mommy, me can't believe what you do to me. You is a evil mother, Tia the maid. No deserve this treatment. Pinky no deserve this treatment. She a carry coloring book, baby. But the mother so evil. Yeah.
Babes. Babes. What you do?
Me just wash the plate them and I know why perfect counter.
Are you wash the plate them?
Eh.
Babes, you know say you like work and because you're pregnant and everything, but come on. Babes, come on baby man. Don't wash the plate them.
No man, I like
Matter of fact, our time, we're still.
Oh Tia. Oh,
Yeah,
you
Tia.
know say true in tired car. Him been on the whole power for you in a base. So I tell her if I take a day. Like come 10 o'clock. And I'm say 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock to start work. So I tell her she can come 10:30.
I understand. But you have to think about yourself, you have to think about the baby.
Yeah, but you have to think about she. So she's a human being, you know.
Babes, you are so right. But make she just come around, do what she have to do, and she can sit down and lie down. Look
She so come in now, because that's so 10 o'clock. And me know why you feel now where I'm saying, you know, because you know I love him and respect her, but she not really help out. She just ever complain.
Alright, you are going. You know, say right on that. I will talk to mama. I talk to mama, but you are going. I feel like just give mama a little chance, because you see true before she come down here, she have a gambling problem. She a gamble a lot. Want you?
No, mama just feel tired.
You
Baby, I
want to
kick.
sit down? You want to sit down?
I want to sit down.
Take your time.
Wait. Oi. Oi.
Take your time.
Yes, tired, man.
You want boy, you know?
I feel so too.
I want boy. A boy you want a girl?
I want girl, my face, I want boy.
Alright, you are going. Boy or girl? We are welcoming. But anyhow, we have one important thing I want to ask you. And this is no disrespect to you. But me just say, be all me said what year. Me just miss some money. I put on some money and I can't find it. I know my head now run. So I just ask her if you see me put on the money. I say me want to see Tia to ask her if she see me put on the money. I can't find some money I put on.
Be from what they hear the complain medicine. I mean I really too like it. But me just say you put on some money but I think you take it up back.
Alright, you are going. I know you're not trouble money. I know my mommy not trouble money. I know me Tia work here all long.
Probably, you know, so probably sometimes you can't take up any lot. I don't think Tia do that. Tia is a nice girl.
You're
she
right.
help me around, you know.
She work here all long. But anyway, me go work and you know me love you. Please take care of the little princess or the little king. And one more thing, when you get up from here, so no go do nothing.
Tia, so come, me just go away for now.
Alright.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I know me does not feel good. Me feel drained. Me feel like no energy. Me not have. Me not even feel like I want to work.
Sit down.
Later, love you, yeah?
Alright, love you too. Be safe.
Bye-bye. Later, yeah?
You my kick, you know.
My kick?
I feel it, yes.
Yeah, daddy! One boy, yes.
Just
Alright,
be
love
safe
you.
and what I have, babe.
But I do not, you know.
Much time I talk to you, babe. Me talk to you, go, me talk to you, come. Me say, babes, stop pressure yourself. We can't say money is not all no, cause we need money right now to pay bills, to do other sort of stuff. You see it? You can't call in say you're sick or you don't feel good. And years now you work with them, you know, me don't feel like them would have said that you grown them, you know, be. Or you talk to Mr. Powell, talk to him, say, you kind of pressuring and you know, want to stop work and you have bills to pay and so forth. So you just want a little break. If I want 2 days, every day, so.
But you not understand, you know. I'm the only housekeeper. They have few much years now. Remember, say 4 years now, me I work with them, you know. So I just so me stay, you know. When me ever work, me loyal to my job.
You know, say if you go over there and anything happen to you, I go feel guilty in myself. Because me I talk to you and say, just build a little bit, take a little rest time for yourself. Because health important in a be. Your health important in a even though we need the money, you know.
Important for true, but there's nothing else that we can do. We need the money, be. We need the money, so we just have to just take the time and just go.
I don't want nothing to do the baby. Babes, one more thing. You see mom from morning? You know, see her?
Me dey hear her, but I'm gonna say, Papa should have on the veranda, she outside, you know.
Alright, me I go check. Alright, love you. Look more here.
Alright, leave it. Me have to be safe and bring back something for me.
Anything. Call me. I may bring back something for you later.
Alright.
Alright, baby.
Finish doing me, I do it. Boy.
Mom.
Yes, my son.
Mom. Oh, mom.
Me there here.
I get up so early.
That's the thing, me there here. You look nice. You're going on the road.
Yeah, you know, it's a long time you know you're the company shirt. Yeah, Mr. Powell. You see me? They'll say as natural herb.
Yeah,
me go on the road go save me.
The other day.
Yeah, boss kinda upgrade. Sorry. The boss kinda upgrade me. You know, supervisor.
So we are going to deal with paperwork?
Well, yes, paperwork. I go up and say me can get some new customers to ours. The store, the company, the product. So we can find some people when we can introduce them to Nelson's natural herb and everything. But so I go on, mommy.
Well, I'm there. Sit down, you know. Go on. Relax.
You know, so me just the inside I talk to my baby. My baby, why bring my baby?
Oh, jacket. Oh, I understand. Tell you to call me here, you know, man.
Mom, mommy, you hear what me I say? I just trim my hair and trim.
Your hair can't come out and look nice same way.
Well, then, the best thing I can tell us if you do them be, I just ask for a razor pay. Ask you that. Because I know say you do more than the work. But then tell us say you go over there go do. I know you do extra work over there. Because you're not nasty. You keep place clean. If I have a $10,000 man.
B, that's something when we have to talk to Mr. Powell about. You understand? But different from that, me not pressure them because you see, lady, I want a nice lady. I'm tell her say she nice. And I say she pregnant, so me have to go work, go do what me need to do because
you see, if you don't value your work, them not gonna value it you. You hear me?
I value my work, me have to work, you know, be.
You have to value what you do.
Wait, I never remember to tell you. Mr. Powell have one Mother Day. Jesus, savior be. The woman wicked. I wickedest woman me ever see on God earth. The woman come like a demon. Boy, me not even know.
You not go left that ever today?
No, me not sure she outside, but me I say she wicked.
I work here, I go.
Mommy, just listen to me. I say, you know me love you. I mean, I put nobody, no one over you. But you have to understand, say, my baby now give me a jacket, baby. Me love her and she love me and her come from far. Mommy not say that. Listen, you want me to say, if you want me to do a DNA, me do it. Me no need to do no DNA because
You don't have to do it.
So why you say
You
jacket?
don't have to do it for me know. Because I don't know, say Jack. I don't know, say yeah.
Mommy, listen, mommy, just listen up. Your son say she's a nice girl. Your son say Pinky is a nice girl.
That the girl, you don't know, girl nice.
Mommy, just, mommy, please, me I beg you, just, if you don't like her now, just do it for me then. You know, son good in the area. Yeah, certain thing.
Remember you're there at daytime, you don't know what takes place in this area there.
Mommy, just this for me I say. Me I go work you now. Mommy, me have one problem.
Problem?
Mommy, every time I put down money, the money I miss.
Me don't see no money.
Mom, me never say you take the money, me just tell her say every time I put down money
yes,
I
and
miss.
before we reach anywhere further, me say me not see the money. You have a girl in there.
Mommy,
and
me always tell her say, Mom, stop do that now, mommy.
Babe, you see, Mr. Powell mother, she not like Mr. Powell woman that a Pinky, you know. Some things that me see, she do and say. But the young lady, me say sometimes me say upset me.
Cut that crap. Listen. One thing you go over there for the right? Work and come back home to me. Right? So me just want you to do that one thing. Leave out and feed them business. If they even want box and keep on there one another, keep on clean. You know business about them. You understand?
Yeah, I don't like some
One
business,
thing.
me just want to say.
And babes, you see your minister come from the time. Oh God.
To tell you the truth, I'm going to say it to you for true, you know. I not even know if I say my energy off, but you know, come for real. I don't know what really I go on, but just I go and watch and see, because I have I want 2-3 days left in a month to do so.
No, no man, you come still. Because I'm long for you want to youth, you know.
I that with you. Be later, I got work.
No, be that would motivate me whole heap. You know, say we are getting first youth together. You understand?
You don't motivate you for true, but don't think about that right now. Later, baby. Because you just want me stop work. Oh, later.
The man wrong is you come be the housewife and me get a maid to put in you. I tell you right here.
Why you always say that?
Ask her for the money. Are you and
If
her?
you don't have no respect for her, just have respect for me.
She have respect for me? You don't know, you know. Are you and her up at night time and she good there take your money and go spend it on it and you pick the pooper.
You know I say, mommy, just please, me I'll go work and she pregnant. Just give her upon her till the maid come.
Yeah, wait a minute there. She me go for exercise, how she there?
Babes.
I realize if she work a whole long and she get too comfortable.
Mommy, listen up.
Me get up for a man, me not get no breakfast, my bed no spread. They have to sweep up. Me tell her some dirty clothes them for wash all now then can't wash what happen.
Mommy, listen up. Listen. Tia work here along with us, you know.
Yes, so she get too comfortable.
She tired. She come and work 9 o'clock. So, Pinky just tell her to come 10. Cause she tired. She tired, mommy.
1 hour?
Mommy, nobody worry about that. You hear what me I say?
Listen to me, even the half an hour she get to take lunch too long. 15 minutes or 10 minutes good enough.
Mommy, listen. Me I work and I kill out myself on a poly place.
You
and sometimes the hour lunchtime when me get, it even make no sense. How much like she want do much something. Mommy, no worry about that. Me I go work, you know, when Tia come.
She know where I said, me so fire she and get one maid to respect her work.
Listen me, you know.
Because she no respect her job.
You know how fire nobody. Mommy, just go on in the house.
She and the girl they need to go.
Mommy, you know what, me a come girl. You know what? Maybe later on me come back, you calm down. Love you, here. Later.
And come me here, come in, you know you live with woman and then I start
me so trim, mommy. Later, love you.
Yeah, love you.
Alright, mom, later.
Come and go ask me about money. You see money?
Oh God. Me are late. Oh Jesus. And the Lord is my shepherd. I shall not.
Good morning, Miss Tia.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning.
Morning.
Looking nice in your dress, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
I was just talking to Pinky about you.
Okay, boss. Me know me late, cause right now I rush me a chair rush. I make me well late, but me tired. When me tell her say me tired, my body feel like I don't mind no more.
Alright, Tia, listen. You know have to explain. I talk to my babes, Pinky, and she tell me say you're supposed to reach 9 o'clock as usual, but she tell you say you can reach 10 and give her extra hour because you're tired. And listen, I understand say you work for a couple here right now. I know you're tired and you have your life, you have your personal life. Maybe you have things to deal with, so I kind of understand. But you know what you do for me. I left Pinky up there. When I leave, you know she's stubborn and everything. Because when I leave her, she not wash the plate them.
Okay.
Yeah, so I tell her, I said, do not wash the plate. So what I say right now, don't make sure that I tell you. You can't just come here regular 9 o'clock. But if you're up there and you want to lie down 1 hour, just lie down at least, you're there work. Different for, if you have something personal to deal with.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, one more important thing I really want to ask you. You not happen to see when you clean up in my room or in the kitchen area, do the laundry or outside, just naturally. You don't really see me drop no money, whether in the kitchen, the room, or when you do the laundry, you know, left no money in my pocket.
No, boss.
Sure?
Yeah, me sure.
I kind of miss some money from what year. Quite a few money, and you know it's very weird, very stubborn for know so me I miss money, and you know me know so the people that work with me, we did it with me, my baby, my mother and you work with me all along, so I know you wanna do something like that. My man now do something like that.
No money, like no.
Alright, I hear nothing, nobody stress yourself. Just take your time, as me say. Pinky kinda do some stuff over there already. So just take your time and reach. You do. This no look about nothing to eat. Okay. I just stop a KFC or Popeye or whatever and get some stuff. What you want? You can just text what you need.
Alright, no problem. But I prefer KFC. I don't like Popeye.
And if you want nothing extra to bring over to your family, just text me, okay?
Alright, boss.
Yeah, I want Pinky for me because she a my child and I don't want nothing to do her. You
Yes,
understand?
boss.
And one more thing, I know say my mother, you look like she not like you. But no watch it, I saw mommy stay. So any man in boyfriend left, cause in husband he left him because of the gambling. And from she come down here, I just saw, you know when people all,
yes,
and them a go up in her ear, so no watch it. And thank you, here.
Yes,
later,
boss.
here.
Alright. Thanks again,
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Later.
I understand how boss are asking about money. I know not about no money. Look how long me I work with them. Who to take up their money? I understand, you know.
So. Oh. Yes. Oh God. I can't wait for gender reveal to find out how much gender me have. Come here, go be a mother, man. I wonder if I go feel for baby come out of my vagina. Oh God. Oh God, my man by the wayside is my deck. Oh God. Go ahead and sit like this. Miss Alia. Miss Alia, before change me a change. You just barge and even knock your door.
I feel ya?
No, but I'm a private space this.
No, you know this not private. All of this are for me and my son. Nothing of this are for you.
So Miss Alia, where you going with my cologne?
I feel your money by it. Or for my son money buy?
I mean buy it.
And my son money buy. So anything my son money buy now this, me use.
You can't use it. You can't bring it back.
Sometimes I wonder what you for. What you for?
I mean, when me for you know, so that very disrespectful.
What disrespectful? Me want to know what you for. What this for? What that for?
Lady, before you kill my baby, I
Wait, baby, there's sometimes one day if a human being in this, so come in one of me for my son, this not this.
Why you say, I son alone, I talk to Miss Alia, those that you make me feel away.
Me feel away. For which one I son? I know for my son. Me know say a different man ya take a go road and next thing again. Me and my son talk about some money, you know, where me see now. Me know say either you or me, you know.
Want me to take my own man money and I mean him say,
Because you're a crook, you know, a thief. And my son money over here for no else. You so come out. You so come out. Me know say your mama, you have a sick mama, you walk with papa and you rest a picture them up there. Me know say a them,
why you would have do that? I mean, never disrespect you.
Me no business, the whole I know crosses. Another touch and see. All crosses. You not deserve me son no. And you not turn along, you had a jacket and not turn along.
Come on, baby, no jacket. I feel Miss Alia, listen to me. Please. No, Miss Alia, don't do that.
What them there? Listen, let me tell you something. Pack, you need to pack and go. You see, either you have a left or you want the maid kite one or crook. You need to go find a baby father dog bed. Go find a dog where you done with. I know for my son pitney that day.
Don't say that about me pitney, Miss Alia.
No, Miss Alia, me nothing. Love which one son, you love him money.
No,
and use a little gold digger you fool for
jacket.
so. You watch him, him too. Where you sit down for my son bed for? As long as me there see you no sit down now when I see you turn up when me and talk to you. Me do what you do. Rubbish, watch him. Come here to come from Papa feed the alien because I'm not a human being that day. Listen.
I don't do that money. I don't really do that money. Make you treat me so. Alia!
All this across is here. Then how you are going to black just like a funeral you are go? Let me tell you something. I realize say no, you're going like say you come and work 9, 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock like say you're a boss or you a supervisor and you are what?
You know, say I not appreciate my work.
What is the time now? What time now?
At 10:15 now.
Okay. And at 9 o'clock you have to reach your work.
Yeah, and at 9 o'clock my shift start, but Miss Pinky give me till 10 o'clock because she me tired
So
and my body feel drained.
I Miss Pinky now. I'm here, Alia, Miss Pinky. Let me tell you something now. You see, Pinky can't get no extra no extra. You have to report directly to me. Me have to give that to say if I know Sunday or so. I mean, but nothing.
Alia, no disrespect. When me did I get higher, you know, I did the boss and his wife did the interview.
No,
you know,
where you say look well? Where you say?
Me sorry.
Me sorry what? What? Listen to me. This is a great man who can pick me your face. This is a girl in this song. I don't know wife. She's not a wife. She's all dark but my son go find and pick up. I don't know where I check it to that, you know. And you so get fire. See if you come in one next day 10 o'clock, you are getting fire. Reach her before 9 o'clock. You sure enough in there go?
Where are me attire, Miss Alia?
Just hold on a minute. Hold on. You see it? You look like a witch. All you need right now is just the room. Hold on there. Wait. Hello, put it on back. Come. Get to work, witch. Get to work now. Come, fly away. Put it on back. And yes, get to work. Fly away. Go on, man, go on. That's too much now. You reek a funeral for true.
I don't know. Why should you treat me so far? God, help me, please. How would that? Come in. Hi, you're rich.
Me can come in.
Oh, you can come.
You sure?
Yeah, man, I can't come. Just push up the door back here. You reach.
Yes.
How are you doing this morning?
Alright. Me hear you cry. Everything alright with you?
Boy, yeah, I'll tell you the honest truth. Everything not alright, you know. Boy, I don't know what I do my mother-in-law. It's like, she not likes me happy. She treat me one certain way. She only leave me in my belly. I want to go and dash my baby pamper. Right now, when my boyfriend is there, she treat me very bad. I just feel like I want to run away.
Miss Pinky, you're one nice lady. And whosoever Aliyah treat you, you don't deserve it. Here you cry, you alright?
Yeah, man, I'm alright. I try. The baby, the pain, man. My back hurt me. My foot hurt me and everything.
You sure?
No, man, I'm sure, man. I'm such a
question. I really want to get involved like that, but I just have to ask you one quick question. What do you think about your mother-in-law?
She alright. Why? She do something?
No, nothing like that. I just ask. You understand? I just try to find out about her like that. Like,
she's a nice lady, you know, but you see if she get an attitude, so she kind of hold and she going on, you know, that menopause or something
yeah,
like that.
The reason I ask till I true. Mama say they tell me if I come, I can come 10 o'clock because you know, and I don't think she's so happy with it, but I don't really no problem still. Me try if I come early and so.
You know, so I talk to my boyfriend and he never have no problem, but yes, it's true. Probably she want help with something. So I just say come, nah, just come, just I can't have a problem with
yeah,
something.
man, that's alright. I don't like how you look though, like.
No, man, I pain, man, I pain. So my first baby.
If you feel pain, why you not go to hospital?
No, I don't think that the pain they was serious. I just baby just a kick, man, and then my back go hurt me and so I was try first time.
Well, Miss Pinky, you're one nice lady, and from there, you not show me no bad face. You're just always there for me. Understand? So no make nobody get you down. No make nobody get you down with nothing at all. No stress out yourself or nothing like that. You understand what I say? Make sure, because you can't afford to have a miscarriage. You know, so stress not good for the baby.
Stress, man, I have right. I mean, no, because my boyfriend will want him first child, you know. So.
Exactly. So no make nobody get you down, Miss Pinky. But anyways, you say you're good. I just pain you feel. Me go wash up the plate.
No, you know, say, me they already wash up the plate them today and clean up.
Miss Pinky? No, Miss Pinky. You know me, I come and work. You can't do that. I must say you're pregnant. You're not supposed to overwork yourself.
No, listen, man.
You could have leave a plate them for me till me come.
No, I don't want them to cuss you and say this and that. So I just wash up them for
Miss Pinky, not do them something there. They run there, risk getting joke. They don't hire me for a reason, you know.
Alright, now what you saying? We can just go cook everything else you do already.
Miss Pinky, you're overdo it.
Just
Don't do that
cook,
again, man.
Come to you tell me you're tired, that's why.
Take it easy, man, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Boy, me I tell her say that big woman they love me when me got, you know. Backside. Me don't know where she a get money from. The amount of money where she a give me. Could it? I fear her money by that, you know. That them use her money and buy another black tank there, you know. I'm a prime out in my house, you know. Backside, anytime this a woman I come check me again, me know me I go buy paint for me house. Cause you saw me a wet her. I don't know normal wettings, man. B, what go on? So you me just a chat about, baby.
What about?
Backside me a chat about the good way they do for me.
Oh.
You make me have water tank.
I hope you let me not do it now.
I'm feel let done.
Oh, make sure.
You can't spend so much money on me. I expect me to let done.
Oh, just make sure. Well, I'm money me care come give you now, cause there's a prime out the place. Me give you money for paint, buy paint and paint you. The money and that one, hold on.
Yeah, hold it for money this time, B. That's why I have to love you, say, no?
Open your hand again.
You need to be county. You're right, man. This half right, B. For you are seeing that, it half right.
Oh, yeah, alright, though.
Baby, you know what I wonder? Me I wonder how much she paintbrush. Because they come in with some new paintbrush, you know? $10,000 me say for them paintbrush there.
10,000. Alright, don't worry, sir. Wow. Buy a paintbrush with that there.
B, you don't have no roller up there?
Roller?
Because, you know, she said, me can't reach up there, so look up there, so. Up there, so leave a prime good, you know. You roll at them with the stick, you know what I talk about?
Oh, you know what you're talking about. Me don't have none. Alright, you know what? Just take this and buy the roller now. Buy the roller with that. And listen to me, I'm telling you something. Remember, I know you're young. I mean, don't want my son to find out, say, now you're in a business. So make sure you don't walk and chat and not talk if my son here.
B,
you understand?
me not cut you, know, but me not lie to you. You see, from me here, there, be a trade even know. Me as a young boy, never know say mother second on with a big woman like her. All the young girls them tell me say me fool, you know.
So young girl, no, make you reach my son ears.
You can't
Please.
reach your son ears.
Try make sure. Anyways, me I come good on the road and come back.
B, make sure no gamble, you go gamble, you know.
No man, I want my friend here borrow money for me, don't I win also me I carry go gear.
You sure?
Yes, I don't need to worry about the gambling business.
So
Me done
me
with
not feel worried.
Me done with the business.
So where you go
done
there?
with the gambling business. I am going down the winners, go give my friend one money. She borrow money for me. What you very worry about, I hope you can sort me out later. You
Go on, man. Think easy. You're not easy, no, babe. Backside. Where this a big woman here get so much money from? Grateful for the fussy them.
Wagwan. There, you know, you're dealing. There, I'm a killer, man. Just cool, man. Knock it and stay, son, man. Yeah, man. John know me J1 in the head and nothing at chamber, man. No best. Like where can come from, man? Believe me, my friend, me I tell us a J, me have to put in the work, you know Wagwan. Although me I come from work. Me I forward from work, bro. Me I tell us me tired, yo.
You know, so me dusty that go ask you a while ago, say, yo, how G look so serious.
You know, so dog, big man thing, bro. Watch out. Look how me dirty. I pay what me I walk and me kinda look customers. You understand?
Oh.
You know, so me get all promotion, man.
All you tell.
Yeah, man, they'll say
And stay so. Watch it, man. Yo, I'm proud of you. Yo, no boy test.
Yeah, man. Manager,
Believe no, man.
Straight manager.
Yo.
Yeah, man, they'll say natural herb.
So
man.
look
Yeah,
more
man.
from this now. Like how me G get him manager work now. Look more from this for G can keep back in the car.
Yeah, bro.
Long time, man, I suffer.
I want to tell you, say, car park up in about the work.
Write it down with a pen.
With a pen, you're smart. Yeah, but so I pray. You know, so mommy all there with you right now. Mommy come down and come live, you know. Yeah, man, she move from country, man, make him come live. You know,
Come and stay with you, no? Stay
Yeah.
there, yeah, man.
Come here running a little problem with you, so I just tell me forward, come live, because you don't know. As she sent me to school, me don't know her father. You see me, she did it with me.
Alright, some of
college,
the father,
everything.
yeah, so look up. Sperm donor,
Yeah, but
that's how you go still.
like them a sperm donor, because if I never sperm donor, I'm not there. So I have just big up my mother.
True.
Yeah, man, but
You know what I say, eh?
yeah, man, talk, man.
You know what I say, if I tell you the truth though, a long time I ain't see your mother, but from that day I realize when I see her, you know.
Yo.
She do for her thing and me I do for me thing. You see it?
Oh, yeah, see her.
Yeah, man, I see her one or two times and she do her thing and me I do my
Mama
thing.
not too talk, you know, too. Me know say you him good, you know, so from
Right,
yeah, see her.
correction.
Yeah, me G.
So your baby mother and your mother up there, yeah, that run good.
Yeah, man, Pinky, you know, Pinky. Pinky, I'm a humble girl, you know, nice and everything, but
Good baby mother you have up
Yeah,
there in
I
the
know.
youth.
you see, Pinky now.
Yes, sir.
Bro, me I tell you, I want nice woman. She quiet and everything, bro. But in my mommy now, you know mommy now. Remember say the last woman relationship when I come out and buck Pinky. Remember say mommy and him never gonna get along. You see mommy
Yes, cause yo, me ain't too like it still in about buying an idea. You know, sometimes your mother them, sometimes you pick a woman and enough for them
And
choice.
that a
But them have to
feel
understand say it's just your
now.
choice.
But along, remember say even my last relationship, you know, along after a man, my last relationship, him and the girl get along, you know, that a Suzette, you know.
So right now, I same thing I want up here there.
Well, you know, mommy say, and you don't really mean nothing. Sometimes you must say, boy, I know for me pick and but you know you don't mean nothing.
I hear a picnic that youth.
You, as me I tell you, no, mommy.
Pinky I gonna away. Every day out there, Pinky
Let me
there.
tell
Remember
mama,
so when
man.
she do the little call center working and she do calling for a yard, you know. I yard Pinky there every day, you know. I'm so normal when you normally party and I tell her if you come. She not forward, you be like, it's a girl, I once in a blue money and doing here, no kill me give money. But yo, mommy soon get used to it.
Yeah, man, I just feel like mommy don't know say Wi-Fi not to work again.
Yeah, man, a Starlink.
Our mind not really upgrade
I remember say mommy a 2G, you know.
Right, and right now they are 5G. But you know what I'm going to say, like, I'm there, I'll touch young on the base, and I go do my thing, you see it?
Bro, watch out, man, I'm tired and everything. I just want to go hug up my wifey, rub down in belly.
Where's your baby so bad?
I can't wait.
A boy or a girl?
Boy, right now, I tell you the truth. Mama say him not do no ultrasound. So you say anything forward, a matter of fact, anything.
A gender reveal, you know, have.
Yeah, bro.
You know me can't miss that, you know. I have to be there.
Yeah, man, you're a godfather.
Watch you, man, you know, for me.
Watch you now, you're connected, come on.
Yeah, man, you know you go, man, is it?
Yeah, respect. Hear that?
Alright, just go and hold them here.
Just cool them, daddy, man. Room.
Active.
One in the head.
Nothing in the chamber.
Father God, thank you for one more day. I oversleep, but what the boss can understand because I'm tired. Because I wake up 4 o'clock this morning just to go get one number for my baby mother Pinky. So right now, I go to work right now. But before I go to work, I go meet her and follow her come a bamboo tree. Right now, see the money where I save. I want to save them in US. Every US will make me save it. Because I want to carry my mother, my baby mother, if the youth born in time, maybe I'll tear. You understand? I want to carry over Panama or go have a trip. Check up them in US. Oh, sir. Why every time I miss money and I just 3 we alone living here? Mommy! 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 Mommy!
Yeah.
Mommy,
Eh?
boy, I can't bother with this, you know.
What happened now,
I'm
my
stressed
son?
out and tired, brother.
What happened?
I don't know why. Mommy, you all like US for me and save money and miss her.
You miss money again? Me tell her say me that thief money. If I know you made which way you have in there. One of them a thief. Me tired to tell you.
Mommy, you think she want to really take my money?
Listen to me.
Listen, Tia work here how long, you know? Why Tia want to take your money?
Yes, you hear me say? You see, if I know the maid or your woman, your so-called baby mother, although I know a jacket or she.
Mommy, stop say she a jacket, she a no jacket.
If I knew she take my money,
if I knew she take my money, she a no jacket. I mean, I have no proof.
Oh, say need proof.
Alright.
Remember, say she mama sick, you know, and she have people. This time a man, she take your money, man.
I'm kind of tired. I'm stressed out. I work hard. Maybe me miss count. So here I go on now. I never remember to tell you. I get up early this morning. Around 4 o'clock, I'm going to look. Early number.
Yeah.
Yeah, for my baby. That a Pinky. So she gonna clink. So when I go there now, Mama just listen to me now, I talk to you. I don't like your style and time for you change now. I go to work, all the uniform when I have on, I take it off and dash it. Because I frowns and molly and think. So anyhow, I go to work. But before I go to work, I go over clinic and follow her come a lane mode. I really want you to come meet her for me. Please.
Me?
Mommy, just listen to me now.
Yeah, pay me.
Mommy.
Because you have to pay me to take care of that witch there.
Mommy, just listen to me now.
Get rid of the old car parts, Water come down.
Babe,
Yeah, babe.
you know, say, I can't go to work, I know.
You got work now?
Yeah.
Come here. You tired?
I'm really tired, you know, me just me just not feel it. Me finally make up my mind.
What make up your mind with this?
I make up my mind as in me just ready for resign now. Me have my resignation letter in my email ready for send. We just want to leave for work and sitting.
So you are going to leave for work? And what happened?
Be what you mean by that? Let me explain to you. You know, so yesterday I go to work. I didn't want to tell you, but it just dip on my brain. And last night, when you all asked me why me I look up in the ceiling, so I think be.
One more thing, me say Poppy Dan. Yes, me say Poppy Dan. So here where me I go there now. I put this in my bank. No, a matter of fact, I put this in the bank.
Yeah.
So here one now. This.
My son.
What me I say now, just watch me. So me put just so. So the only somebody me I go tell are you and the maid.
Okay.
You see me? I three will live here. Maybe I just miscount. So
I know you three will live here.
Mommy, and me, you and the maid. You understand?
And your witch. Your witch.
Mommy, me I gotta work. Stop say that no man. You there live with me. Just stop say that no.
Think about what happened over there? What in there?
B. You see, boss, mother.
Don't tell me say I touch out.
Listen up, B, calm down now. Yesterday I got work, B. And I did 50.
Yeah, talk up no man.
9 o'clock before reach at work, right? But Pinky, which is the boss wife, tell me so I can take 1 hour.
Yeah.
And just come to work 10 o'clock because she says I'm tired and something. So I end up reach 10:15 because traffic upon the road.
So why there is a problem?
The mother ring me ears so like me are pitney and like call me witch, you know. All I give me broom and black hat.
The mother put the hand on you.
Yes, babe.
It come like this. So. And you not tell me that last night when you come, me go over there.
Be calm down now.
You come like say you want me go over there, go mash up the two of them.
Calm down. That not needed, babe. Me just resign.
Me don't even know if you have baby in your belly, I put your hand on you. Yeah.
B, just
Yeah,
listen
me
up,
tell you.
B, me not even want too much in no talking, cause me no want late fishy. Me just can't take a problem on it.
Matter of fact, me even should have make a left yard go over there too, you know.
B, me just go finish a fortnight and done. That's me can get paid for when me work already. You understand?
Yo, you know what? Yo, just do what you do. Last time, remember something tell you, you know.
You just stop worrying yourself. Right. You're too ignorant, man. Later, B. And calm down yourself, man. Later. Me good, man.
Make sure you tell me everything what's going on over there, you know.
Alright.
And the woman, I know she normally go down the road go gamble or something.
Yeah, she always gamble.
She always gamble?
Yeah.
Alright.
Later.
Yeah. What good? You know, I don't want nobody ramp with my future baby mother. My future wife also. Yo, let me go up on the road in the car.
Stop say that no mommy man. Me I gotta work. So here I go on. The money you do so and me I put this in my bank.
Oh,
you understand?
so me for watch your money?
Yes. So me I go tell Pinky say the money did there. The only somebody when I know me I go tell me now go tell Tia.
Okay.
So right now if a Tia take the money we are gonna know.
But when she clean to receipt.
That's why I just you and Pinky and me know so the money did there.
Okay.
Alright. So me I go tell Pinky when me go for her. Love you, yeah?
Yeah, love you, son.
Yeah. Later, here.
Yeah, later. No matter hurry up, here.
Yeah, love you.
Yeah, love you.
Hi, morning, Mr.
Morning, bossy. You know, so I'm glad to see you because I really need to talk to you.
I know, so to be honest, I really need to talk to you about ladies first.
Please. You know, so I work here for a while now.
If you want to raise up here, me not think about it. Alright, talk.
I know that. But there here for a while now. 4 years I work for you now.
No, 4 years and 6 months. 1 day and 24 hours and the second and the minute.
Alright, almost 5 years.
Yes.
As you can see, me look down this morning. Normally, me da look chirpy coming to
So,
work.
question, why you look down? Like, you do anything where you don't really want to talk about?
No, me not do nothing. All me do I come at your work. Me take care of your place. Me clean. Me cook food. Me iron your clothes. Me do everything there is. And the energy just not right here. So like me not feel the
Tia,
energy.
I don't know who school you used to, but you're small, cause the same thing, the energy not right.
What you mean by the energy not right?
Continue.
The energy not right. Me I come at work and me not feel like me want come at work. You understand? Basically, me not get the treatment I'm supposed to get. And me really don't want to go labor board. Me really don't want to go... Me don't want to go labor board. You understand? So, me just feel like me I just send him resignation letter.
Labor board, that's not parliament you talk about. You talk about labor board when the boss not treat you good.
Yeah, when you not pay the worker them good. And you understand, interest, a conflict of interest, something of facade. But me just feel like me just, instead of me do that, better me just resign.
But, Mr. You want me to say? Just leave a little matter here till later on. I'm not going to spend all day at work. I'm going to come home early. So please, I just have to do a little business interview a person. Yeah. The company I used to work for, you know the company I used to work for before. I resign. Because you see, sometime in our life, people, they want to use you. And when them do 1 or 2 or 3 favor for you, them use it against you like you owe them, but they don't remember say. Also, maybe them do a big favor, but the small favor what you do in a count. And you kind of remind me of the company when I used to work for. So, I go to work and I go come home early because I really need to talk to you. So please don't leave till I come, right?
Okay, boss. You sound stern when you normally sound so with me.
But let's have a blessed day.
I'm going to do what I can do.
Yeah, man. Later on.
Alright.
Babes.
Eh?
You walk from clean, you come up here.
No. Be true. Me dey call and me never dey get you. So, me just take one back text.
Babes, you not call me?
Yeah, yes, me dey call about 3 times.
Oh, shit. Me never realized your phone ringing.
No, that's alright, man. Me just take one back taxi and tell him to let me find
Bike taxi?
No, because it ill bad. Sometimes I let me every time I walk over there. Me alright though.
So what them say our clinic?
Well, them say the baby healthy, you know, healthy.
Babes, sorry about that. Me sleep late. Just trying to get up 4 o'clock this morning to go try to get one
I
early
understand.
ticket.
Everything
So me gotta get
alright.
you. So me be there and me I gotta work. So
Oh, yeah, go work now.
Yeah, go walk and talk. Take your
Wait.
time.
Me say, the baby that's a kick, so you not
That's a
give me
kick.
no chance.
So you eat nothing for a morning?
Yeah, me dey hit one party.
Party you drink tea?
No, I need drink no tea.
You want me just come
No,
something for you?
come go on a work. You remember
Alright,
say,
come on.
tea around there, you know.
Babes, me know say the baby soon jack and everything. Me no want to put you through no more stress.
Alright.
But me
So I
still
have tea to help me.
babes, me know say Tia one as I talk about Tia.
What a very nice girl.
Alright, let me just tell you what go on. I really need to talk with Tia. This is well important when I come back from work. I'm not going to spend the whole day at work today because I just go interview one youth.
What talk about?
Yeah, well, just keep it as a surprise. But watch you now. You remember the US when I tell you say I save? When I can go up on the trip to Panama with me, you and if everything work out, I can tell you. Boy, I don't know if I miscount, but I don't think I miscount. The US I miss it.
So babes, they say that Tia take money. I don't think so. I tell the truth.
Babes, I know you not take my money.
I
know my mother not take my money. And watch you now, things are to people, you know. People are struggling, you know.
I don't think so. They probably miscount for true, you know. But I don't think that they tell the truth when they work at Tia just ever help me.
Alright, babe, just hear what I say. Sometimes you know good for you swear for people. Somebody have to swear for your baby and swear for me. So yeah, this is on US. Just go and go hide it.
I'm not telling them to put it.
Yeah, this is the only US for left. So just go hide
So
it.
much money we.
Every US me get me save it. I want to carry up on the trip. If the baby born in time, the whole of we can fly out.
Alright.
So You sure you come? You want me for you go further?
Me alright.
You sure?
Big one, make sure you put up the money. Because I don't want me go listen to nobody see it.
Dada talk to you. You know, you give me no trouble, you know. And yeah. The boy you talk and the boy you smile. Me tell you, sir, one boy no babes. Me tell you.
Me think so too, but a gender reveal would know.
Alright, listen. Me tell my mother. And one more thing. Mommy soon get along with you. Just give me a little time, please.
She alright.
Me tell her if you come meet you here.
You never have to tell her if you come here. I could have walked around by myself.
Alright, if she come, she come. If she not come, she not come. Later, me I got me soon come.
Be safe here
Yes,
and
I
love
to
you.
Tia.
Remember to bring
Don't
something. Me not say nothing to Tia. Be a keep that as a surprise.
Alright, listen. You what you do? Just send-
No, that's
Babes,
alright.
listen, send some money with your mother.
Alright,
Alright,
thanks.
later, love you.
Alright, me love you too.
Yeah. Take time walk on and stone them.
Me alright, man. Me tell her say me alright. Be go on, you do construction work, go on and work.
Alright, later, love you here.
Love you too.
So one stone up there, so watch you here.
Be go on and me
Alright, love you,
baby,
baby.
man.
Alright,
love
later.
you too, man. Me tell you, man, if you come at yourself. Jesus, sweet.
You can't walk up.
Me walk up, me can't walk.
Walk up. You go and ask if you carry pitney hard. Come man, come. Me don't know me come down here for.
Me never.
Come, go and see for my son. And my son face you for him pitney because I know a jacket now.
Me say no, so me never ask if you come down here.
So, my son tell about the money.
What's the money?
Stop going, I can't hear me say. Come on, go on. So long there, where they say over clean? You could drunk or go make it?
Don't call my baby in the jungle, Miss Alice.
Alright, the jacket I go make it.
My baby is not in a
Come,
jacket.
go on. Too much hair, no. Too much hair. Walk up, no man. Walk up. Walk up.
Me a walk up.
Where walk up?
Can't walk no
Come on.
further.
I go on
Take time with me.
Come on.
Wait.
What me say?
Yes, Father God. I love what you do for me. You know how long me a dream for have one of them bus ya and see you make it come true. Why me never sleep for too long. Come on the bus, man. My backside. What amount of...
Baby.
B, what go on?
What?
Me there, man, alright?
Yeah, me
Nobody lean
for
panic. For me, but nobody lean panic because me no want
Where
to
you get money by
scratch it.
boss?
You know, say my mother overseas send me some money and me save it and me buy that bus ya.
So long there. All along me and you talk, you never tell me say your mother they are foreign. Me not understand what go on there so, what happened there so?
B, let me tell you something. You see, everything good for load up. Good for publish.
Excuse me?
Remember say I save, and I like say me get the money one go. So me couldn't talk about this. B.
So what you use this about to do now?
You say our taxi me I go run with it.
Oh, your mother send you for run taxi?
You should buy me it, but me I go use it make back money. Me can't have your drive and a wreck. It go cost me, So at the end of the day, me have to use it make some money.
Well, that nobody know. That nobody at all.
Let's say you like it.
Yeah, me like you. You look good and nice, boss.
True,
And
man.
everything.
No long me dream for have one of them if you can make some crazy money.
Yeah, anyway, me don't really come to hesitate, you know. Actually, because me I call you and me not get you. Remember, say tell me say you want the watch from the other day, you know.
Yeah,
And me I call you to
Rolex.
give you the money. And you not answer.
Actually, me busy. Me busy I do some things from what you be. Remember me tell us me go get the bus, and plus me have to do some paperwork, plus me go look about my driver's license.
Alright, you know for that. The money.
B, this one more money. This is not for Rolex.
Let for what?
This is not for Rolex.
Alright. Me have to keep back two for myself.
That's why me have to
Somebody
love
want
you.
money
B,
to borrow the road again.
me say if me love you one more time, there is no God.
You have to love me.
By the way, babe, where you get so much money from? As a matter of fact, so much US for you give me all the time.
Well, you know, say, my son doing good work, right? So he make the money. So me just steal from one.
What you say? Tea for you want? I say you love me, B?
Of course.
Oh God, man, you keep
As to me not hear you come down now. You see when my son get heap of money, because my son make money, you know. I just take out any amount what me want out of it. And then if he say, I either the maid or in which way have kind of baby mother over there.
You look like your son make a whole heap of money though.
Yeah, man, he make money. So
How
when
he
me do
work?
Wow,
Alright, let go that. Me not really business. Me just want to know say me a colic.
Oh, so
Yeah.
when you gonna make me get the baby? I'm ready for your next child, not one son me having.
B, I no time for that. Me not ready for that.
Well,
My life have to set, my future have to fix. You know, say me have a sister where I breed out there. And she not talk to me, me not talk to her. You know, long me not hear from her. Me and her talk 1 and 2 times. We not communicate like that.
Me not understand. Me make your life set and you still at him, but your life not set.
B, relax.
You know, a matter of fact, come left me down in the town in the bus. Come on.
B, right now, me can't move, you know. Me have things to go deal with, you know. Me cannot move, me have things to go deal with in my house. Me will pick you up. Just call me when time I'm ready to come up.
Make sure, you know.
So me not have to make sure.
Alright, later.
You go on here, I trade even know say I feel money where you take time and come give me little, me put on that and save and buy this. I can't drive go pick up one of them Barbie there, yeah, man. But I feel left in a town.
See her, cause she always walk through here, so go buy a cash pot and go gamble. See big cow here come. Wait. Come down. Hello, evening.
Excuse me, you know me?
Are you named Alia?
Then I who name Alia. One Alia there, you know. I know two.
Listen me. You see when you see me woman come at work, me no want you put your hand on her, yeah?
Your woman, who are your woman? I don't know your woman.
Oh, you don't know woman?
What if time for me?
You want me show you woman? You don't know
You can't have
woman?
for me.
Listen me,
You
listen
can't
me.
have for me, but you don't have no manners.
Woman, you see anytime my woman come over there, me need to put my hand on my woman and you put your hand on my woman.
So yeah, let me go.
Me didn't even know. Lady, don't make me get cross.
Sorry, me don't know your
like how we
woman.
there, somewhere nobody in there. Don't make me buck, hey.
But me don't know your woman, let me go.
My woman her name Tia, she a maid over your son yard. You don't know her? Stop play fool for get, hey. You see me now?
Alright,
Don't play with me, yeah?
Yeah, me sorry.
Don't make it happen again.
Yeah,
you see when she come and work, make she work.
You now go happen again.
You hear me tell her? No matter how fact to her, tell her to resign, so you now go see her back over that, yeah?
Yeah, me sorry.
You hear me say?
Yeah, me
You're
sorry.
sorry?
Yeah,
Look up here.
Right.
Come here. Come here.
Where
That's how you feel now?
Yeah.
You feel like a cow, eh? You want ears drink? What the fuck? Sure, box down your, hey.
You see all you? You look for me, you see you? Make your man come beat me up, go over here, go tell a man how me ring your ears, make your man ring my ears and jet me wait as my son come here and get fire. As he step in here, you will get fire. You not turn along, you know. You think me no know say yes, are you a thief my son money? Don't worry yourself. Ain't so angry about go wait till you reach here.
Ali, I'm near thief your son money.
You see if I know one thing, wait till my son come. Wait till my son come, just wait.
But my man took a
If you ever know me want humpy girl in my mouth, I told me no want him man come ring back me ears, you know. I like the one there. Oi! Jacket, come here! Dog bed, how was she there? No, I fear her house now. Miss Pinky, ma'am!
How would that?
No, I want you live here.
May I come?
Come out just to me, man. Cause I see you all play my games too, you know. Are you the next one too?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Yeah, what? Cinderella?
Yes, Mr.
Come on, come here, sir. Come here, sir. Me need
I take someone look a rest. I'm not really feel.
That for you are your rest problem. Come here, sir. Me need something.
You take time with me because I feel pain. I really feel good.
Well, Andy, I make you a free prayer. I know my son breathing, you know. So you not tell me nothing about pain. Come, me need to show you
Go
something.
on, take time. I
Okay,
can't
Mr.
walk.
Take time. Can you play my brain? You see? Me I go show you something. And only me, you, and my son know about it. So, you see, if you missing, then we know say me that thief, right? Look. My son put the money right up here, so.
I don't want to see. I don't want to see. I don't want to see. I don't want to see.
Oh, listen to me, listen to me.
I don't want to see if it's true.
Oh, yeah, thiefy.
No, but me tell you the truth. I don't want nobody because I don't want to see.
Well, you see already, so if I know you take him, I made. I know me not take him.
Question because, to be honest, me to be honest. My mother grew me so good, but I reach it. Me tired. Tell me if you tell me, say, after they deal with me so much, and me want to sleep, because my baby a kick on my belly, hurt me. And you come and say for this. All you know say is a look wicked woman. Where you hate me for, eh? What me do you? Yeah, tell me pin your bastard, I'm a pin your jacket. I your son breed me. I him lie down and breed me too all time. I'm tired of you now. You do too much in here, too much. And you know what? Me know say you thief money. Look here, me no talk. And you know hear me raise my best and make you can bully me. Me mama grow me good. You understand? Me know say every time when your son pull on the money and you thief it. You thief it and take it go gamble and what's it not? Listen to me, lady. Don't raise my blood pressure in there. Don't me have nothing. You want to say, what you want? You want your son? Take him. You want him, right? Take him. Because guess what? Me done. Me and my opinion, alright. We don't need your son. Me have one house and me can't go live in there. So if I your son you want, take him. Oh, Tada. Matter of fact, Miss Alia, you know everything in everybody's business, right? So hold on. How you don't know the young boy where they take your son money to buy bus, eh? Papi, sure. Know yourself. Can't do think about it.
How she know that?
Tia.
Oh, bossy. Me gotta come. Me need to talk to you. We need to finish the talking we are do this morning.
Yeah, also we need to finish the talking where we not talk this morning also. We have a lot of things to catch up.
Me not even bother feel like me I got no labor board or nothing. We have to deal with them something then me just finish with you so. Me have an email on my phone with the resignation letter ready for send off. So me need your email for just send it. For just resign right now. Me can't do this no more. Like me going to 4 years on my service and it come like appear stress and problem and
why your conscience energy.
Which conscience? Which conscience? Bossy, which conscience?
Oh man, it's okay man. It's okay.
Bossy. You know understand you know? Are your mother a problem you know? Your mother one where they accuse me wrongfully, you know. You understand the energy you so just not right.
I'm glad you call me son. You say my son.
Continue. Mommy, what you ask mommy?
Me have something to tell you. You see that maid that we have here? He make him boyfriend box and keep me out. You don't want to see a road me come from, you know. And the boyfriend hold me and ring off my ears, tapping on my belly. Right now, that's what happened. Right now, you know,
make my boyfriend.
Me no come here and talk about it. I pretend like you're idiot.
You have a boyfriend?
One black boy, you want to see him black.
You have a boyfriend tall and black? Your boyfriend beat me mother for what? Where you make him boy?
Right now, if you see her bruises in my back right now, too, you can't touch his son. And I hear my teeth all the money. Me tell us if you fire him and you're not here.
Alright, mom, calm down. Tia, how long you work here?
4 years now.
And how me treat you good?
Yes, that's why me I try to explain to you.
Me I try to explain to you.
Mom, let you speak. Yeah.
Me I try to explain to you, say darkness over your eye, but you not see light. You not see light because darkness cover you. It cover you.
How we are
get to the point. Mom, let you speak. Mom, let you get to the point.
You know what, bossy?
Get to the point.
Bossy, me resign. Me send off the email, see there? Me resign. Me done with this.
Long time.
Me done with this, bossy.
Alright.
See,
Tia,
me no
listen.
longer work here.
Listen, you cannot resign. You know the reason why you cannot resign? Cause from this morning when me just talk right out of the gate, you're fire.
Right.
So I come and tell you now if you know say yo, you work with us over 4 years, Tia, and me can't believe say money. And miss and you a take my money, Tia. Go we treat you good. And not just because you find out and now you say I resign.
Bossy.
No resign, you're fire.
Bossy, me no long talking with you about no money or not what fi start. You see my boyfriend tell me fi see and blind, hear and deaf, and that me I do.
And you make your boyfriend beat up my mother.
Best believe you go learn. Put my bag.
Come, leave me place. Leave me place. You and your boyfriend, you two and two teeth. That tall. You know say your boyfriend at the family tree. You're so tall. I am at the family. I went going to my place gone do.
Got teeth, I must teeth in, got teeth again.
Mom, look if not in your bag.
Let me see in my bag. Let me see in there.
Look in it. Look if not yours in it. No, give her bag.
Hold that. Take your pan, come out. Come out! Too much you know,
Come,
man.
leave.
You two teeth, leave.
Boss,
You
me
come,
lose off for you.
come out of my place.
Come out of my place, come out of my place.
Can't believe me. Call me treat Tia.
Boss, me
Over
swear
4
to you.
years. All me you say my miss and he come like a Tia. And you make your tall family tree boyfriend beat up my mother and kick him and box him down. No worry yourself, me have a summons here, here. I go and go station in the morning. Come on, ma'am.
Wait, I have to take time right near so I have me.
Come on, come and go look on it. Damn crosses! The dog you should have just bite up your chichi.
You guys made it to the end of this movie and you have just done watch my evil mother. You see from yesterday video people when me I talk right now, that means you watch out the movie to the end and not skip it. You understand? I'm really appreciate on the support. So just continue to support it because people, remember me telling you see, January we are forward, we have some movie for now get there. You see anytime the team reach that Panama City, me have some movie for now get there, so just stay tuned for them. You understand? And just go and support the channel. You understand? And as me say, if you want to support any one of the actress or actor, whether you want to support Puppy Dan, whether you want to support Tia, whether you want to support Pinky, whether you want to support Chelsea, whether you want to support Kia, me I call her name, so whether you want to support Coloring Book, anybody from the team, just link the number on the screen towards the Panama trip. But big up on yourself and stay tuned for the next movie. Remember, we have part 2 for you. You're not my dad. To forward soon, so stay tuned.